Nigeria is the powerhouse of Africa, a dynamic and diverse country of over 200 million people. Lagos is the bustling commercial centre, the gateway to which is through the port at Tinkan. To the uninitiated, it's a sprawling, hectic and intimidating place to be, but help is at hand. Joseph Dam Port Services is one of the leading terminal operators in Nigeria. We offer a turnkey service to those importing or exporting to this market. Our quayside is nearly 500 metres in length, allowing for up to 3 cargo vessels to be unloaded simultaneously. We handle dry and liquid bulk, general cargo, project cargo, break bulk and goods storage. As a result of our continued commitment to quality and service, over the last 5 years the business has grown by 30% and we're investing over $70 million to upgrade our port services. We're building a new silo storage complex which will consist of 21 dry and heated wet bulk silos, giving us a massive 150,000 tonnes of storage capacity. The new multi-directional conveyor belt system will be able to move cargo at a regulated speed, up to an impressive 600 tonnes per hour. This will make it the fastest, most efficient system in Nigeria. It allows ships to dock anywhere on the quayside, increasing the number of vessels docking per year from 115 to over 200. It will also give us the ability to move cargo back from silos to stakeholders or onto awaiting hauliers at new designated loading bays. Our stakeholders include a range of blue-chip companies such as BUA, Crown Millers, Eagle Flour, Honeywell, NPA, PZ, Royal Salt and Unilever. Our Vigan mechanical unloaders allow bulk to be unloaded in 3 ways. Our existing conveyor belt system allows for bulk to be delivered direct to millers or stored in silos, whilst trucks can come quayside where bulk is loaded directly onto them. The warehouse is one of the largest in Nigeria. It has a massive storage capacity of 8,800 square metres and is available to our clients on both a long and short-term basis. All these facilities and services are only as good as the systems in place to manage them and the excellence of those who operate them, which is why JPS is continually striving to improve its work management and prides itself on its on-site training. Our continued commitment to progress means that not only is JPS one of the leading terminal operators in West Africa, but it's set to develop and improve customer services. We're accredited for ISO 9001-2015, ISO 14001 and WorldCom CSR, as well as being ISPS compliant. JPS is the leading port operator in West Africa, providing a range of world-class services. With over 500 support staff and state-of-the-art facilities, it makes them the ideal partner for all those who wish to enter this vibrant and exciting market.